Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's going on, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this metal platform storage bed that I just put together. It's got a really nice rustic sort of appeal to it, and my initial reaction after assembling it is that this bed is awesome. But I really like the rustic industrial design here. So you have this really strong black metal steel, and you have the wood laminate that has a rustic design to it. So to turn on the LED lights, you need a USB adapter. So here's what it looks like turned on. And there you have it. But you have all sorts of different modes. So if I hit mode, it slows it up a little bit. More of like a strobe. Well, that's like a strobe. Okay, so different colors. You can change the color right here. It's red, green, blue, and then if you want, you can just choose the color straight up. So if I want to put like yellow, that. If I want to do like a pink, purple. Play with the brightness as well. It's a little bit lower, put it a little bit higher. So yeah, looks good. Then here you have your two outlets and two USBs, and just underneath it you have the plug here. So once you plug that in, you should be able to power up your devices. Now this bedroom was limited on space, so you can see in that corner the drawer is not there. It's actually still sitting right there. But yeah, what's cool is that they have these drawer bottoms right here, which they don't typically have. Usually it might be like a clear plastic, but they have that rustic finish board underneath there, which I think is a really nice touch. But the way the drawers come out is you just lift it up slightly like this, and then you can slide out. And this is the pin right here that sits in between this groove right here, and that's how it locks. Here's the panel bottom. It does create a nice platform for your clothes, and it's the same deal for the drawers down there. So if we're talking about you know, having a sturdy bed and longevity, obviously metal is definitely the way to go. With some wood platform beds, after some time, you know, the wood could crack or break. With metal, you really don't have that issue. It's high-grade steel, it's reinforced, and it really is built to last. Another thing that I like about this bed is, if you can see here on this middle slat going across the middle, it has this foam pad right here, and what that does is it negates the metal from making a loud sound by banging on this metal right here. So this pad right here absorbs the sound so that you can sleep in peace. But altogether, this took me about an hour and 15 minutes, maybe an hour and a half to complete. The instruction manual is relatively straightforward. It doesn't jam pack too many steps into one. So you can kind of, you know, take your time and get through this relatively quickly. But altogether, I really like this bed. It's got that rustic industrial appeal to it. It's got 4 drawers, it's got LED lights, it's got a charging station, so it really is a functional bed. Not to mention the storage space that you have on top here and on the second level here. So all in all, I highly recommend this bed. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.